My question is, I want you to confirm to this House whether or not there was existent or non-existent resignation letters.
There was resignation letters.
Is that found anywhere on the record?
Yes. There's a letter of resignation, page 366. There's another one on page 367.
So there are actually resignation letters. Is that correct?
From the face of it, they are resignation letters.
Resignation letters. Has any of those employees taken the county government to court in respect of those resignation letters?
None of the employees have taken the county government to court.
To the best of your knowledge, has anyone been charged in the county government for forgery of the resignation letters?
I'm not aware of any person.
Okay. So I'll finish just by asking you one question on the if miss. I will repeat. I will go back there, and I just want you to confirm one thing to this House on the charge of misappropriation of funds. Please confirm the date when the governor assumed office.
On 25th August 2022.
On 25th of August 2022.
Yes.
Now, the IFMIS document that we have been given predates the date when the governor got into office. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Are there entries that are similar in nature during the time when this governor was not in office, and they are similar to what has happened after she got into office?
Yes, there are entries as I have pointed out.
Can you just flag out 2 or 3 of them again? And that will be the last question from me. At page 17. Of volume 2, that is?
Yes.
By the County Assembly.
The first 2 entries are on prepayment.
Okay.
And the third entry also is on hospitality supplies.
So that all those correspond to what happens after the governor comes into office?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Speaker, sir, that will be all in exam chief for the witness. I will hand him over for cross-examination.
Counsel for the County Assembly, you may proceed to cross-examine the witness.